What's up everybody? Thank you for checking out this brand new guitar tutorial. In this lesson we're going to be looking at how you play The Only Exception by Paramore on the acoustic guitar. Now I'm going to show you two different ways to play this. The first way is going to be without a capo. It's the authentic way of playing it. And the second way is going to be with a capo. So if you're not familiar with bar chords, the second way might be a little bit easier for you to grasp first of all. So if you haven't subscribe to this channel, please make sure that you do. We've got plenty more guitar tutorials coming out. If you like this video, please like it and share it. And if you have any questions, comments, please use the comments box below. So let's dive into the first way of playing this, which is without the capo. So we're going to be up on the 7th fret. And we're going to make a major shape. This is our B major. However, we're going to let those notes ring out. We're not going to put a full bar chord across. We're actually only going to play or hold the root note, which is the B. So let me explain. We've got our first finger, fret number 7, string number 6. Second finger is going on string number 3, fret number 8. Third finger is going on string number 5, fret number 9. Pinky finger's going on fret number 9, tucked underneath, and it's on string number 4. And we're going to let everything else ring out. So you should have a nice open chord there. Now for the strumming pattern, you're going to go so next chord you're going to need to know. I'm going to play this up on the 9th fret. So we've got an F sharp minor. And again, to play this, you need your first finger on fret number 9 of string number 5. You need your second finger on fret number 10, string number 2. Third finger on fret number 11, string number 4. And then pinky finger on fret number 11, tucked underneath, fret number 11, string number 3. I'm going to let those notes ring out. We're not going to hit the top E string. We're going to just muffle that for the time being. We're not going to play it. So, two chords together. And then we're going to move that shape 2 frets down. 1, 2. And we're going to take off our second finger to make it a major. And this is our E major. Play all 6 strings. Same rhythm. So let's try it from the start. And those are the same chords, same 3 chords, all the way through until you get to the bridge. That's not the bridge. That's just a random chord I put in. The bridge. So, it modulates to B... No, it's a D flat minor. So, D flat minor, exactly the same finger in position as that F sharp minor up here, but we're going to move it down all the way to the 4th. So we're going to hold on to that. And then back to the B, the first chord. I'm going to move that chord down to our F sharp major. And we're going to play exactly the same we play the B, but we're going to move it down all the way to the second fret. So that bridge section. Bridge section, we're going to just an E major, which takes us back into the first three chords again. So there you go, that's how you play it the authentic way without a capo. Now let's have a look at how we play this with a capo. Okay, so you need to know three chords for the first section using the capo. We've got a capo across the 4th fret, and we've got our G major, D minor shape, and C major. Same strumming pattern all the way through as the first version. All you're doing is changing the chords. It's easier to play if you're a beginner guitarist because it's actually those first 5-6 chords that you learn as you play. So you've got G, D minor, and a C major. The best thing I can do or recommend is to play along with the track, get used to how the guitarist is strumming, and follow the structure of the track as well. If it was me, I would start off using the capo. If I'm a beginner guitarist, I'd start learning the rhythm, take the capo off, and then try and play it the authentic way. Have a go, and if you have any questions, comments, please use the comments box below. I shall see you very soon. Bye-bye.